Most small creators look at YouTube analytics every day, but they are reading it the wrong way. Today, I'm going to debunk YouTube data, show you what your analytics really means, and how to use it to grow. Let's dive into it. Welcome back to Growing with Creators. If you've ever looked at your YouTube studio, you felt frustrated, discouraged, or confused, then this video is for you. Today, we are debunking YouTube analytics and revealing what the data really tells small creators. Here is the biggest analytics myth. Most creators think views is the most important metric. That's the first mistake. Views does not grow a channel, but audience behavior grows the channel. A video with 200 views with a very strong watch time is more powerful than a video of 2,000 views and that people leaves it after 10 seconds. YouTube cares about how long people stay to watch your content than how many people click on that content. Let me explain this simply. Watch time is how many minutes people spend on your video. Retention is how long they stay before leaving. If people leave your content or if people stop watching your video early, YouTube stop recommending that video. For small creators, your goal is not viral video. Your goal is to keep people watching your content. So, how can you achieve this? Fix your intros, avoid long greetings, get straight to the point faster. Another mistake small creators make is obsessing over click-through rate (CTR). Here, thumbnails and titles matters. But if people click on the video and leave too early, YouTube will stop pushing that video. So, high CTR or high click-through rate plus low retention is equal to dead video. And moderate CTR or moderate click-through rate plus strong retention is equals to growth. That means that content will grow. The most ignored metric is returning viewers. When people come back to watch your content again or watch more of your content, YouTube start trusting your channel. This means your personality, your consistency, and your value matters more than trends. Build habits, not hype. Here is what your analytics is really telling you. If people leave early, improve on your hook. If people stop halfway, improve your storytelling. And if people don't return, improve on your value. Use data as your guide, not as discouragement. Analytics is not there to shame you. It is there to teach you. Every big YouTuber once has small numbers too. So, learn from your data, improve on your content, and stay consistent. If this helped you, like this video and subscribe to Growing with Creators. Comment below and let's be serious to grow on YouTube and all our dreams to grow as a content creators will come to pass. Bye.